welcome to the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Marcia. Now, Marcia is talking about going to Jamaica. She is saying that, in the summer, she will be going to Jamaica and she'll be having fun. She's going to do whatever she wants to do, you know, and she was trying to find out what year of independence it would have been. And so she would be doing her business as well in Jamaica. She's talking about more stuff as well. So go ahead and catch what Marcy has to say. And guys, please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And hit that notification bell so when I post, you know about it. And for all my lovelies that are out there today that are celebrating their birthdays, I want to say happy birthday to you. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity. And for all my other lovelies out there, I wish you a wonderful, wonderful day.
And get this stuff, because few people been inboxing me. And if me can't do business a yard, said when me do business a yard. Because me a plan to come down in a July. I want to go down for the summer. I haven't been a long time. I want to go down in a July. I want to go down for August, so me can go independent. How are you independent that? I want to go down in the summer. I haven't been in Jamaica in a long time. In the summer and Christmas. Summer and Christmas never miss me. I used to go to Jamaica 3 times a year. February, July, and Christmas. I'm going to start do it back again. Yes. I'm going to start go back down in my holiday time. Yes. Yep. I used to go down 3 to 4 times a year. Every birthday. And when July come again, me gone back down for the summer. And then me go back down for Christmas again and have a wonderful time. Yes, my dear. I'm drinking Manny Chavez wine. And it tastes really good. Make it especially when it's cool and nice. So all the people in Jamaica, even if you live out of town, you can get it on the Knatsford bus. Can deliver it to you. Yeah, so it's not an issue. If you want harder too, if you put it on the Knatsford bus, you come pick up in your town. So I will be sending product to Jamaica. Yes. And if you live, no matter where you live at Jamaica, bus run there. Go pick up it from the bus. I'm going to come down in the summer. I want to rent one Airbnb with rent one nice Airbnb with a big living room. Me may get a big bamboo down there. I held to the motherfucking yes. Me have my man down there at Jamaica a long time. Over 30 years. That ain't nothing. Me have my man at Jamaica a long time. Me have one of me talk to me talk to me and my friend for over 30 years. And me have one of me a date for about 20 years. So me have whole heap of bamboo down there me can get. So that is no problem. Yes, my child. That ain't no issue, honey. Me have whole heap of man friend down there. So let me tell you something. Me have my man friend them down there. So me can get any bamboo me choose to get. Single and free and disengaged to fuck anybody when I want to fuck. Whether them single or free. Whether them married or single. I'm single and free to fuck anybody if I want to. Yes, it's my pussy and I do what I want to do. Yeah, so if I want to go to Jamaica and get my groove on with one of those motherfuckers down there, my whole boyfriend, hell to the motherfucking yes. Hell to the motherfucking yes. My pussy don't have no ring on it. Yes, if I go to Jamaica and if I want to double up with one of them whole mate today, hell to them always want me. Yeah, them love this pussy, honey. They miss this pussy. As soon as me talk to them all the time. Even to them, I talk to one. So if I go to Jamaica, and I want that Ross, I get it. There is no hesitation. That dick is always ready for me. Isn't I have a dick ready for you down there? I'm just saying. I'm just saying. The celebrity them can't do it, me can't do it too. Yes, my dear. Did I have a ring on my finger? I sure don't. Yes, so my dick them down there ready, honey. I choose which one me want. You choose the sweetest one. The sweetest one. How you send it on the Knatsford bus? You know, find out which location the bus come and them have them package. You send the package there, you go pick it up and meet the bus. If the bus is going to arrive at 12 o'clock or 1 o'clock, you go at the location where the bus arrive and you pick it up from the bus. You have to make sure say that the bus, I think I saw it work. Because people send things all the time. You go to the station where it is going to come, and if it bus or reach 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock, meet it, you show them a receipt and you get a package. I think I saw it work. Yeah, man, I think I saw it work. Yes. So anyway, then in Jamaica, and you pay for it, and we put it on the bus, and the bus come, you can't, even if you live out of town, look by coming on town, you can't come to Hochi and pick it up at Hochi. Anyway, bus come. From Montego Bay, you go to the place and pick up it. You find out which stop is going, and you lay with the bus. You lay with the bus, and you put it on, and then you go get your package. You show your name or whatever, your ID or whatever. I mean, you show your package, you get your package. That's all. Yes, me dear. Nobody talk about them sweet stick there yard. Me have man friend me date yard for over 20 years. And that dick belong to me any fucking time. Me nah ask you. Whether them have a wife or a woman. Any day me go to Jamaica, if I want that blood clot dick, I have to get it. Without hesitation. Me nah ask you. Him that like me and attracted to me. Him always want this pussy. Me nah ask you. So, whether him married or not, if I want it, him find time and I get it. You understand? Once a man get this pussy, him always want it. Cause I'm getting some good pussy. So any man me friend me have a yard, him dick will always belong to me. As long as him live by himself. Laddie. Yes, me dear. He can't resist me, honey. None of them blood clot man when me have a yard. They can't resist me. What I had before. They can't resist me. Them just love the pussy. And then love my personality. Yes, me dear. You know some things some men want to not get married. You know say you're a little bumbo clock. I mean you should have married to, you know. You should have married to that woman there can't take out wherever she live. I mean you should have married to. Cause you know me. But through me so ass face, you know do what I'm supposed to do. But you see you's a bumbo. Cause you should have married to me. Cause your mama dead now. Cause you don't have time for your mama dead. I mean you should have married to that woman there. But you go married to she because she a blood clot liar. But I mean you should have fucking married to come here go together for much years. You waste my fucking time. But that's how when the man stay, but you still want the pussy same way though. That's your ass get it. Cause you should have married to me. I mean you should have married to come here. You know me like a book. Me know say she not spontaneous like me. Me know say when she comes say that your dick don't turn up. Yes, but when you come say that me touch your dick turn up though. Me know say she can't do that. And after me there wait for your ass clock for much years you go marry to she. Because she me feisty and chatty. Yes. Sometimes you will lose one good look come conservative man, you know, just because I know you're feisty. Yes, because I know some feisty. That's why I know say you're married to me. Because I'm on Facebook. That's why I'm married to me, you know. Because I'm on Facebook. I know say that's the reason why. Through my feisty, I'm on Facebook. I like the social media thing. But I know say you still a lover of this pussy right there. You still. I know you still want it. I know say you still a dream about me. I don't ask you. But anytime I come to Jamaica, I have to get that dick there. Yes, I have to get that dick there. I have to get that dick there. You always want this a pussy. I tell you. Lottie. Yeah. Yes, because that is it. Yes, me dear. Yeah. Wife I get born under a blood clot. Because I'm married. All them years, 20 fucking years. Yeah, 20 years. I'm married. You should have come married to me. What the fuck? We married to she if I don't love she? I'm your love. You know that. You know say I'm your love. But me know your bumbo clap married to her because it's true she and I know say me, you know me always. You know my mouth and me is a wild child. But you know you love the blood clot wildness. You know that. But not to worry. Because I know so I can't make it edit there any time when I come a yard. Any blood clot time I come, I forget it. I know that. never said no one can resist me. Yes, my dear. Oh, one thing said joke I make. Oh, one thing I might say a joke. I ain't making no ass joke. Sometimes you see, sometimes in a life, you don't have man out there. But and I said I don't like but sometimes your attitude and your personality will lose. Will make you lose some man. But I wouldn't be happy anyway with him. Kind of fucking miserable. And miserable and in too conservative. You understand? So even if I was married to him, I couldn't come on Facebook or do certain things. I couldn't him just too conservative and him miserable. Him miserable. But him miserable in her ass, you know. Me have size small in the dress. What dress? This dress? These dresses? They're one size fit all. You don't need them for small. How tall are you? You know, I know, man, it's one size fit all. They are house dress and vacation dress and whatever. Them just one size fit all. It's a freestyle dress. So them have how tall are you? You no matter, you just wear them. It's cover up. It's cover up, honey child. It's cover up. I wonder for the alcohol. That's why they say must drink. Don't drink alcohol. Then you will chat things. Laddie. You will chat things. You're the one them out there now. Hear them now. But look on a ugly blood clot girl, they chat like that. Me know what them say now, you know, cause me haters them, you know. Okupa and she. But she talk about take a people ass, man. And him fucking yeah, then cock and belly big and ugly in a blood clot. Me hear who know. Me hear who know. Me hear who know. Yeah. Me hear who know. Me hear who know haters. Marcia hears clean. Me hear everything around in my ears all. But you see, anything me say a while ago, that is the blood clot truth. Nothing but the fucking truth I just stated a while ago. But me hear who know in my ears all. But Kupa and she. But she talk about say I could do this and hello, I have to see the blood clot man too. I'm rich. I'm rich, honey. Rich. Yes, me dear. Rich. Yes. You have it, you have things. And he won't chat to someone. But he can't resist me. Not a blood clotting can't resist me. Can't resist me. Resist who? Resist who? You don't know, so we never man for much years and you and me go together and can't resist you. Resist where? You know, conservative man love wild child, you know. Them love a wild child, honey. Yes. Remember, this is Marcia Everbless page. I say what I want to say. Welcome to Marcia Everbless page. Yes. And I say what I want to say and I do what I want to do without restriction. Yes, me an adult and I say, when I can't take my personality, that's phone business. It don't have nothing to do with me. Oh, yes, me dear, me have him lock. Me have him lock on the child. I have him lock in this good pussy right here. I got the motherfucker lock. Lock. You watch me too, you know. You watch me. So you hear me a chat say, you watch me. You watch me. Hello, me have some nice friend at Jamaica, you know. But I like it. Me have some old but nice but Jamaica like me have, you know. Does, sir. But we always stick to that one here. But I always stick to that one here. I always stick. But I have a lot of nice people at Jamaica like me have. Me not ask you. Yes, my dear. Don't bother feel so. So when it comes to dicky, I don't have no problem. I may go to Jamaica, me rent my hotel and me have my 2 room and me not care anybody come there. You understand? So dicky is not. How am I doing my ring? Me know what my ring last. How am I doing it? Me take off when me go in the bathroom. Didn't I took it off when me go in the bathroom. What me do? I wish me take off my ring. How am I doing it? I took it off. How am I put it? Me not be so nobody want to chat me say. Me I live my life. Yes, my dear. I live my life. This wine is nice. Me a big man. Me run my own show. When me a dead, I'm dead alone. And me a bury alone. Nobody not bury in a coffin with me. I'm alone. I'm going to bury right in there. When me sick, I'm me alone sick. And me I go feel all the pain and the bad feelings and everything. So I don't give a shit what nobody wants about me at this present moment in my life. Because they might chat me from a long time. And that's about it. All me know said right now in my life, my thing is to try to see if me can catch back up and eat in a little healthy and see if me can drop off some of them pounds. Yeah. So me can fit back in my dress because some me now end up catching diabetes. That's all. That's all me want right now. Because when a belly fat is something and catch heart attack and them sort of something there. So that is it. When I look on the scale and see how much pound me weigh, I say, rascal, this can't work. When me see and see, I go over almost 30 pounds. Me gain 30 pounds since I came to Connecticut. 2.5 years ago, not 3 years. 30 pounds. And since even I left Woodland Village, I gain over weight because I've been eating a lot of restaurant food. A lot of pasta, a lot of shrimp, a lot of rice. I mean, remember some I cook at a restaurant 7 days a week to buy food. And these food are salt and full of sugar. When you eat the food, KFC, chicken, fries, and everything. When I jump on the scale, when I go down the other day, when I went down to Blue Angel to fit in my regular dress, them what I've been wearing for over the past 30 years, the same size. The fucking dress then couldn't fit me. Him said to me, but Marcia, you gain weight. Me say, yes, I gain weight. The dress then couldn't fit me. Me have to end up 2 size up. I was like, what? No, sir. Me say, no, not in my 50s, yeah. If you go gain weight. Who me if I gain weight I get whole. And most sight are coming in my gut. Then a heart attack that. And stroke. Blood pressure and big belly. That are death ready to happen. No, sir. Me say no, me have to take it serious. Me have to take it serious. I remember say me remove my gallbladder again so that it make it matters worse. You can't break down certain elements in your body, certain things in your body. You understand? So me say, no, sir. And me a woman love to dance and remember say me not dance in 3 months. Remember say me always come every week and do my little dancing exercise. Me stop do it. So that make matters worse. Because at least me used to have my little karaoke and my little dancing segment for dance and sweat. Me haven't done it in how many months. So me not keeping up with the dancing and a little singing and a little sweating and whatever. And then me now, ridiculous now, have access to gym and swimming. And I don't take that Ross. Me no know me not, because me is not a gym person, so me not motivate enough to go up on a fucking gym and gym the right hand of my foot. And gym the right hand of my foot. When me could have go do gym a morning time, me not motivate enough. What can motivate me to go up on that Ross treadmill? Me because whenever I go up on the treadmill and do exercise, the whole and back start hurt me. Once you go up on the treadmill and the glider, whatever they want to call it, it's like you're injuring your back more. You have to know what you're doing. So I have to get like a waist trainer for whole routine to before you go on that something, because whenever you start go on it, you go so it's like your back or your spine and you have this problem again. Your back start hurt you worse. Cause anytime you go on it, your back start burn out, you know. Especially like a gliding one. With your rotate with your foot like this. Maybe the treadmill is not as much. But whenever you go on a little gliding one day, where you put your foot one over yourself and one over yourself, that shit hurt me. So me have to know what me I do. Because it start to, because the way your body are going on is like your spinal area and everything.